I feel like jumping right the way I'm ballin'.
I told her I'm here for forever. They say we go perfect together. I feel like the same and no questions. I feel like we perfect together.
Y'all already know what time it is. What's new, YouTube? SWAYCREW here with a brand new video. And today, as y'all can tell by the title, we got a banger today, man. We gonna be asking girls to rate my voice 1 through 10. You see right here, we got the ski mask on, and you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna ask them. I'm gonna be like, yo, y'all think I'm cute under this mask? You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna take the mask off, and they gonna say, you know what I'm saying. I'm thinking they gonna be surprised, and they gonna say that I'm cute and whatnot. But yeah, they gonna rate my voice, and I'm gonna have the mask on. So we about to put the mask on right now. But before we get into this video, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe down below, join the crew. Ooh. And we gonna be doing something interesting soon. We got the world's hottest gummy bears, bruh. The world's hottest gummy bears. I can't wait to try these out. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, stay tuned for that video. But right now, we about to get into this video. So let's get it, man. Alright, so I was gonna do like a scary mask, but this is all I could find in the moment. You know what I'm saying? Oh, excuse me. You know what I'm saying? So, you feel me? Oh shit. Alright. How I look? How I look, y'all? How I look? Man. Hey, this shit, I don't know how people be using this to rob, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I look like a cheesehead, for real, but hey, man, I look like a young boy, but alright, let's get into it, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all boys, it's hard to breathe in this moment. Yo, it's hard to breathe, bro, but alright, let's see what they think about my voice, man. You know what I'm saying?
He jacking his dick on the internet. That does not qualify as being in it.
Hello?
Ew.
Can I ask you something real quick?
Move along, wannabe gangbanger.
Wannabe? Nah, it's not even nothing like that.
Ah, bitch, you hiding your face. I don't talk to bitches who hide their face.
I'm a bitch? That's how you feel?
I have self-respect, and you're gonna give me the same respect that I give you. And I'm not gonna talk to you when you're not showing me the respect or showing me a damn face. So move along.
Oh, word, that's how you feel? Well, I was about to show you my face, but
I was better show you my face. Yeah, bullshit.
Stop being mean.
No.
You know, we had to get her out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Can you come and sit downstairs?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, can I ask y'all something real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, so could you like rate my voice? Like, I'm trying to do like a school project. You know, could you like just rate my voice real quick? Like, does it sound cool or does it sound weird?
It sounds fine.
Sounds pretty fine. So like on the scale of 1 to 10, like, I'm just trying to get, you know.
I don't know.
You don't know? It sounds fine. So do you think I'm ugly? Like, if I took this off, would you think I'm ugly? Like, by the sound of my voice?
No.
No?
No.
No. So should I take it off real quick?
Yeah.
You want to see? Alright, hold on. Alright. Nah, I'm just trying to like see if I'm ugly. Like, you think I'm cute or no response?
Fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 fucking way.
Hello?
Hi.
How you doing? I got a question real quick.
Okay,
Could you like rate my voice Like on a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it like a 9.
A 9. So do you think I'm ugly? Like if I take this off, do you think I'm ugly, or does it sound like I'm cute?
No, well, I don't know. I mean, I like your lips and your eyes, so I wouldn't think you're ugly.
For real? So should I take it off?
Bet.
Should I do a face reveal? Face reveal? Alright,
Do it. Please stick it on your Eat Wayne.
I would never guess that person idea.
Alright. So what you say?
Okay. See, I told you. And a smile. Okay.
So what would you rate me then on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 10 out of 10. For sure.
You lying. 10 out of 10. I could be like 5'3". You wouldn't even know. You would still give me a 10?
Wow. That doesn't matter because I'm 151.
So I ain't 5'3". I'm 5'10", but oh word. So I'm cute. Cute enough to be your boyfriend? How old are you?
How old do I look?
14.
14?
Yeah.
No, I will be 18 in 3 days.
Oh word, you'll be 18. Okay. How old do I look? I know I look pretty young, so
You
you
look
can be
17.
honest. I look 17, for real? Nah, I'm only 11, but
11.
I'm fucking with you. I'm 18. I'm fucking with you. I'm 18. What you got? IG or something? You got Instagram?
It's right here.
It's right there. Mark, hold on. It say Mar.
Oh, sorry, that's notification.
Alright, man. Oh, I see it. Alright, man. Alright, I'm about to follow you. Oh, you got some nice pictures. Oh, word.
Thank you.
You take some nice pics. Alright, yeah, I'm a, you know what I'm saying? I'll give you a follow real quick. Get it?
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't, because I didn't even follow you yet. Alright, you know what I'm saying? She got a follow for me, you know?
Oh, no.
Alright, my fault, y'all. My memory card got full, but we back at it. You know what I'm saying? These girls dubbing me today. I don't know what's going on, but hey, man, they dubbing me. Hello? Come on, man. We gotta get somebody to. Hello?
Hey,
How you doing?
we look alike.
With you and the cat? Yeah, the cat cuter though. But check me out. Check me out real quick.
Thanks.
Check me out real quick. I got a question for you. Could you rate my voice like on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5. Word. So do you think I'm ugly? Like if I take this mask off, would you think I'm ugly?
I want to see what you look like.
Or would you think
Like,
I'm
I'm
cute?
so serious.
Like,
Don't push next without taking your mask off.
you want so I should take it off?
Yes, I'm not playing for it. Don't push next. Don't be on, bro. You probably cute because you got veins,
Chill.
bro. Don't push next, bro.
I wasn't gonna push next.
Let me see your hair.
You wanna see my hair? Hold on.
I want to see. Yup.
Hold on. It's probably smashed from the mask.
You're not ugly,
You know what I'm saying? Dang, I took the whole
but
mask.
you know that.
Huh?
I said you're not ugly, but you know that.
I'm not ugly. So what would you rate me then?
A 7.5, like your voice.
A 7.5. So you rate my voice a 7 and me a 7?
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Okay.
How you doing?
You guys, what about you?
I'm good, I'm good. I just got a question for you real quick. I don't mean to bother you. But could you like rate my voice like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Your voice?
Yeah.
Talk?
What you said talk? Is that enough for you? I gotta say more.
A 9.
A 9. So do you think I'm ugly? Like if I take this off right now, do you think I'm ugly? Or do you think I'm cute? Or should I take it off? Or I should take it off real quick. Hold on.
So, Mr. Banana likes PG, banana here. So, Mr. Right? This being Mr. Mitchell, feel depressed or desperate.
So you know, I'm a switch.
You're cute.
I'm cute. But you wanna see my hair? You wanna see my hair?
Sure.
You do? I don't know. Am I still cute? For real? Lying. How old are you?
14.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
Oh shit.
Yo, you pregnant?
What's up with you, bro?
I got a better ski mask than you?
Nah, I like yours better. You right. You completely right. You know what I'm saying? I like yours.
I ain't even saying nothing. This.
Hello?
Hey,
How y'all doing?
good. How are you?
You know what I'm saying? I'm chilling. You know, I'm just trying to, never mind. But, I gotta ask y'all something real quick. You down? So, like, could you, like, rate my voice, like, on a scale of 1 to 10?
What? You. How do you rate somebody's voice? I don't know.
Like, does it sound cool? Like, does it sound like... Basically, I'm saying, like, if I took this off right now, like, would you think I'm ugly or would you think I'm...
So take it off.
You know what I'm saying? Cute. Take this off? What would you rate my voice, though?
But take it off first.
You want me to take this off first?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. You want me to take the whole thing off? Or just like... Or just like a little bit? Ooh. I don't know.
But what do your hair look like?
My hair... Hold on. That's what I said to go. Man, my hair look crazy right now, but you know it is what it is.
A good 7.
A good 7 out of 10? Or is that 7 out of 7?
7 out of 10.
What, for my voice or for my looks? Or for both?
All of it.
For the whole thing. A word.
This a girl.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. Can you take that off?
Hold on. You know what I'm saying? You rushing the process. I got a whole little process going on. So what I was gonna ask you first was like, could you like rate my voice?
I know you're about to say that. I don't know, you got nice teeth, so I hope you're not ugly.
You hope I'm not ugly?
I'm saying you gotta keep talking so I can.
I gotta keep talking. Well, all right. Should I just take the mask off then? Like, I think we should just get straight to the point, right?
Like an 8.5. I'm not gonna rate too high because I'm gonna be disappointed.
You about to be disappointed.
I'm
Alright, hold on.
I'm saying I like his graphic teeth, so I really hope not. I'm saying I'm gonna be mad if he is.
I think you gonna be mad. I ain't gonna lie. I think you gonna be mad. I think you gonna be a little upset. Yo. See, fucking.
Yo.
Hello?
Poppin'.
You, could you read my voice?
Talk.
What I got talk? I gotta talk a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Is that enough?
You get an 8.
8. So if I took this mask off, would you think I'm like cute or would you think I'm ugly?
In the middle.
In the middle? Or where should I take it off or should I
take it off.
Take it off? No, you probably don't think I'm ugly. So not. I'll take it off. You feel me?
Let me get a hairline.
Damn, you trying like I ain't even had no cut, nothing.
I don't care, come on.
You trying to see the full.
I didn't go like
put
the thing up like yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're not bad. You like a 9. Okay, that's not.
I'm not bad. 9. Oh, word. So I'm your type. That's what you saying.
Nah, it's not.
What'd you say? I couldn't hear anything you just said. You can't see me. You know what I'm saying?
I love your smile.
It's great.
It's so cute.
Oh, word.
Yeah, like.
Oh, I appreciate it. Oh, you trying to steal my lingo? Oh, don't do
what
that.
What you mean?
But now you trying to say, oh, word.
But I ain't finna stop. I'm right the shit like some butterscotch. Behind the door, panties drop. Rock. Her boyfriend walked in, I was like, whoa. I pulled me a drink, now I'm moving.